Good evening, my name is Sebastian Caena, and this is Community Class 1 for my presentation. Well, in recent years I have visited several cities in the beautiful country that is Colombia, together with my family and sometimes with friends accompanying me on the trip. Each of these trips were by car, given the ease that we had to mobilize with it. The places I visit most frequently because of the family I have in these two cities are Medellin and Ibagué. Our first stop was in Ibagué, where I visit my friend, the music park, which was spectacular. We also went to the park of Belén, also very nice place, and finally we went to the art museum of Tolima, which was personal with science I wanted to know. There in Medellin we visited few places because the time of stay we had was very short. That's why I only got to be in the Plaza Botero, very interesting place, a new concept of art that I saw in that place. I also go to visit a place that today I would like to repeat. The Museum de Castle was memorable to see it and walk the corridors, a new experience really. Finally, I go to visit the Barefoot Park, which is a very relaxing and unexpectedly curious place that I like very much. Fortunately, in the family trip we made to Barranquilla was not the weather that is doing today, since we were fortunate to enjoy several outdoor activities without the heavy rains that make recently prevented us at the time. We visited the parish Saint Bernardita, very colorful, perfect for the photos we have of the occasion, as are the photos we took in the custom square, which has a very well preserved architecture. We ended our visit in the castle of Salgar, an unforgettable place. These are the tours that today I would like to repeat and enjoy visiting at the time. Thank you very much for listening me, and good night.